Hello everyone, welcome back to Graybrook Creations. My name is Michaela and today I'm going to be making some stickers in this video. When I first started selling my crafts to people, I actually started with selling stickers. So I haven't done it in a little while, so come along with me to see how these turn out. To start this project off, I'm going to go ahead and log into my computer and open my Cricut Design Space. Once I'm in my Cricut Design Space, I'm going to just scroll down through all my old projects until I find the one with these stickers that I will be making today. I'm going to go ahead and print these out on some sticker paper. Typically, I just use a regular matte sticker paper, and then after I print them out on the sticker paper, I'm going to go ahead and laminate them. Alright, now that these are printed, I'm going to laminate them. For these specific stickers, I'm using what I call a rainbow laminate. It's like a holographic, I don't want to call it sparkly, but yeah, I like to call it rainbow laminate. So I'm going to go ahead and tape my sticker paper down so that when I'm applying the laminate, my paper doesn't move around. I've just found this is easier to avoid getting air bubbles in my laminate. Then I'm going to measure out the size of laminate that I need. Since I don't need the whole page, I like to measure it out and then cut it to size. This allows me to keep some of the scrap for when I'm making smaller stickers. I can then use those smaller pieces of laminate to actually laminate those small stickers. After cutting this to size, I'm then going to use this little scraper to apply the laminate to the sticker sheet. So I just peel off one corner, it's usually the bottom right corner, and then I will just stick that single corner down on the sticker paper. Once I have that corner stuck down, I'm going to take that scraper and just slowly pull the back of the laminate off, and then use my scraper to scrape out any air bubbles and get the laminate flat onto the sticker paper. Now I have laminated stickers. The next step here is to put the sticker paper with the laminate onto my Cricut cutting sheet. I'm using the light grip for this specific application. I've learned if you use the green heavier grip mat, it can sometimes peel the back off the sticker paper. So I go ahead and use the light grip paper. I'm going to get that into my Cricut and then it's going to start cutting. Now that this is done cutting, I'm going to go ahead and pull those stickers off of the Cricut cutting mat. First, I peel the main piece of the sticker paper off, and then I will flip the mat over and bend it slightly, and this allows me to pull the stickers off really easily. As you can see here, they just kind of pop off the page. There was a little section on the top of these stickers that I had to make sure I popped out as well, but it came out pretty easy. Here you can see what those stickers look like now that they're cut out. For this project, I only needed to make 2, but I was out of these stickers, so I went ahead and made a few just so I had some extra in stock. Next, I'm cutting out the little thank you page that I put in the back of the plastic package that I will be sending these stickers in. This is something else that I used to keep extras of when I was making a lot of stickers, but since I haven't done a few in a while, I had to make some more for this project. Next, I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the little plastic bag that I use to ship these stickers. I put in the little thank you note. I inspect the stickers one last time just to make sure they look good, And then I'm just gonna stick them in that plastic bag, and then it comes with a little adhesive on the back, so I'm gonna go ahead and close that up. Now I need to prep the envelope that I'm going to be sending the stickers in. I have a stamp for my address, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Here you can see it's just a standard stamp I ordered online. It's easier than writing it out every single time. And then I went ahead and wrote the address and put a stamp on. And now I'm going to put the stickers and one of my business cards into the envelope. I like to include a business card because a lot of times I post more on my social media sites than I do on my Etsy. So if someone finds me through Etsy, I like to let them know how they can access my other social media sites. Now I'm going to stick on this little sticker that says Grey Brick Creations. And now this envelope and these stickers are ready to be sent off. Thanks again for watching.